Hello, I'm Samiksha Gaikwad from TYBSC Computer Science from Sarhad College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Pune. So in this session, we are going to discuss some MCQs related to Python. So without any further delay, let's get started. Moving towards the next slide. First MCQ. What is the answer of this expression? And the expression is 22 modulo 3. And the options are option A 7, option B 1, option C 0 and option D 5. And the correct option is option B, that is 1. So modulus operator gives remainder. So 22 modulo 3 gives the remainder, that is 1. Next MCQ. What is the output of this expression? And the expression is 3 multiplied by 1 and 1 is the exponent of 3. And the options are option A 27, option B 9, option C 3 and option D 1. So the correct option is option C, that is 3. So in this expression, first it will solve the 1 exponent 3 because exponential have the higher precedence than the multiplication. So 1 exponent 3 it gives the answer 1 and 3 multiplication 3 multiplied by 1 it gives answer 3. So the final answer is 3, that is option C, and the option C is the right answer, that is 3. Next question. Which of the following will run without errors? So the options are round in bracket 45.8, round in bracket 6352.898, comma 2, comma 5, round function, and last option round 7463.123, comma 2, comma 1. And the correct option is option A, that is round 45.8. So execute help, that is round in the shell to get details of the parameters that are passed into the round function. So the option A is correct, that is round 45.8. Next MCQ. What data type is the object below? And the data type is given below. L equals to in square bracket 1 comma 23 comma hello comma 1. And the options are option A list, option B dictionary, option C array and option D tuple. And the correct option is option A, that is list. List data type can be stored into any values within it, and list data type is always given in the square brackets. Next MCQ. What does dash 5 evaluate to? And the options are option A plus 5, option B minus 11, option C plus 11 and option D minus 5. And the correct option is option A, that is x is equivalent to minus x plus 1. Next MCQ. What is the result of round 0.5 and round minus 0.5? And the options are option A 1.0, option 2 2.0, option C 0.0 and option D none of the mention. So the correct option is option B, that is 2.0. So Python rounds off numbers away from 0 when the number to be rounded off is exactly halfway through. Round 0.5 is 1 and round minus 0.5 is minus 1. Next MCQ. What is the maximum possible length of an identifier? So the options are given below, that is option A 31 characters, option B 63 characters, option C 79 characters and option D none of the mention. So the correct option is option D, that is none of the mention. So identifiers can be of any length. Next MCQ. Which of the following is an invalid statement? And the statements are given below. So the correct option is option B, that is A space B space C equals to 1000, 2000 and 3000 because spaces are not allowed in the variable names. Next MCQ. Which of these is not a core data type? So the options are given below, that is option A list, option B dictionary, option C tuples and option D class. So the correct option is option D, that is class. So class is a user defined data type. Next MCQ. In which year was the Python language developed? And the options are 1995, 1972, 1981 and 1989. So the correct option is option D, that is 1989. Python language was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989. Next MCQ. Which one of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? And the options are option 1 .py, option 2 .python, option 3 .p and option 4 none of these. So the correct option is option 1, that is .py. So .py extension is used to store a Python file. Next MCQ. Which character is used in Python to make a single line comment? And the options are given below. So the correct option is option C, that is hash. So hash character is used in Python to make a single line comment. Next MCQ. What is the method inside the class in Python language? And options are object, function, attribute and argument. So the correct option is option B, that is function. Next MCQ. Which of this following is not a keyword in Python language? And the options are val, raise, try and with. And the correct option is option A, that is val. So val is not keyword in the Python language. Next MCQ. Which of the following operator is the correct option for power of AB? So the options are given below and the correct option is option second, that is a power b. So the power operator in Python is a power b, that is 2 power 3 equals to 8. Thank you.